Hey, are you buying coins cluelessly? Then stick around to learn some crypto basics.
I bought coins just to make a profit, but I've always wondered, what the heck are blockchain and cryptocurrencies?
It's the first thing you should know, bro. Blockchain is like a magic ledger, visible to all but tamper-proof. No middleman, just direct transactions.
Magic? You think I'm 5? Cut the fairy tales, man.
The magic is that it locks data into secure blocks that are set in stone. No central boss, just computers syncing up fast like an efficient meeting.
I don't get that kind of magic because I'm always late to meetings.
Just because you're a lazy bum. Now let's explore cryptocurrencies. Digital cash that's secured by blockchain to prevent foul play. Think of it as your digital wallet sending secret codes that only the intended recipient can decode.
Just gotta make sure my wallet doesn't start sending messages to the taxman.
But here's the twist. Crypto isn't widely accepted yet. Fine online, but could draw stares buying coffee.
Whatever. I don't trust banks, so I prefer converting everything to crypto. Smart, huh?
Yeah, but cryptocurrencies are regulated and hold value. So when you cash in, Uncle Sam wants his cut.
Dang. But for me, it's a thrilling world of making and losing fortunes. What a time to be alive, dude.